Hey, I received this skincare set from Good Molecules so that I could try them out, and I am excited to tell you about each one of these. I am also going to show you when I used each of these so that you can see how easy it is to use them, how nice they are. So let's start with the cleansing gel. So this is a very hydrating cleansing gel, and it is really nice. You can, you just put a little bit into the palm of your hand, add some water, rub it together, rub it all over your face, and then you can rinse it. What I like to do is use a wet washcloth to wipe it off or rinse it off. So that is that one, really good. My skin feels very clean when I'm done with that. So that's very good. And you can use this in the morning and you can use it at night, which is so important. The next one I want to do is, let's do the niacinamide. So there's the niacinamide, and this one also you can do in the morning and at night. Yes, you can do this in the morning and at night on clean skin, and you're just going to, it's got this kind of like stopper type, and you're just going to put it on like a cotton round or a cotton ball and rub it all over your face and let it dry before you head on to the next step. This is a good one and it smells really nice. Use it morning and night. The next one I want to tell you about is the hyaluronic acid. This is nice. It's a glass bottle. This one is also a glass bottle. This one has the dropper. So it is a clear liquid, doesn't smell like anything. There's literally no smell to this. This feels so good and hydrating on my skin when I use it. You can also use this morning and night. Okay, let's do the eye cream next. This one is the Yerba Mate Wake Up Gel. Thank you. The Yerba Mate Wake Up Gel for under the eyes, and I'll just show you what it looks like. That's kind of what it looks like. And no smell to that either. That's kind of the nice thing about this, you know, is the lack of fragrance. So that's really good. But this can also be used morning and night, and it reduces the signs of puffiness. So that's a really good one. Use it morning and night. The next one I'll tell you about is the retinol. So this is the Gentle Retinol Cream. I gotta put my glasses on to read these. The Gentle Retinol Cream. So this one is important. Use it at night only. Retinol is for nighttime. So what I do is I use the cleanser. I wash my face. I do the niacinamide and the hyaluronic acid. I do the eye cream, and then I put this on. That is my nighttime routine. So this is just a really, it's kind of a lightweight cream. Really nice. Dropped it. And then this one is the moisturizer. This is a gentle, lightweight moisturizer. So that's the nice thing about this, is it's not too heavy on your skin, and it absorbs right away. And again, you can use this morning and night. It's got shea butter, avocado seed oil, hyaluronic acid, so very hydrating and nourishing. So yeah, that is the whole kit. And I have been loving this. So I recommend it. I recommend getting all of these so that you can use them together. Thank you, Good Molecules. This was really nice. And hey, if you like this video, please do me a favor and hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please click subscribe. Thanks.